guys, welcome back to Desi Boy's Kitchen. Stay tuned till the end of the video. I will be giving shout out to some of my friends, right? Today we're gonna make Malai Tikka, right? Chicken Malai Tikka, yeah? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to make it less fattening as possible, right? So I've taken 500 grams of chicken, and what I've taken is a cup of yogurt. So what I've done is I have put this cup of yogurt in here and let it sieve. All the water is gone in the bowl here, and I've got all the thick yogurts, right? And then I have got a cumin powder, I've got a garam masala, salt, and I've got our ground dhania, yeah? Okay? And I've taken 1 lemon and some cream, yeah? So let me tell you how to get all the lemon juice out of it, right? So basically is roll it on your table to get all the juice out of it, right? So I'm gonna cut half of this. Look how easily the water is coming out. So the squeeze of lemon. And a yogurt. See how thick it is. One teaspoon of our green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and half a spoon of our garlic, yeah? So what we're going to do is, we're not going to put a lot of cream in it, right? We're just going to put 2 spoons, right? 2 teaspoons. That's more than enough, because the cream is very, very, very heavy, right? And now we're going to add all our spices, right? And we're going to add our chicken. And we're gonna let it marinate for an hour. Let's see how simple it is. Marinated for an hour. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. And we're gonna add half a lemon. And 2 teaspoons of olive oil or sunflower oil, whatever you have got at home. Stir it well. If you haven't got corn flour, don't worry about it. If you haven't got a cream, don't worry about it. The main ingredients is the yogurt, the way I have shown you to sieve it and have a thick yogurt, right? Right guys? So pan is really, put the pan on a high flame. So what we can do is we're going to put our So we're gonna cook it for 30 seconds on a really high flame, and then we're gonna reduce the flame to medium flame, and then we're gonna cook it like really crispy from the bottom. Then we will turn it around. Keep on like sort of moving your pan so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Done from the bottom. And we just turn it around now, all of it. I've turned this around And look at the color of these. And I'm gonna put this flame high up for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna reduce the heat again to medium heat. There you go guys, your malai tikka is done. Look at that. It's all done. We're gonna take it out. Our chicken tikka is done. Now we're gonna give our chicken tikka a smoky taste. So what we're gonna do is, I've got this coal. I'm just gonna burn coal a little bit. Okay, so my coal is ready. I'm gonna pick my coal here. I put it on here. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of ghee on it. And I'm gonna lid on it. There you go. This will give, look at that smoke going around. And this will give a smoky taste to your chicken tikka. Right guys, look at that. Wow. It just gives you the feeling of like tandoor. Look at the smoke in there. My whole kitchen is filled with this. Look at that. And I'll serve it. It's beautiful. Malai tikka is done. What I've done is I've bedded it on the spinach and some coleslaw and drizzled some tamarind sauce. Yeah, so that goes, coleslaw goes really well with malai tikka. Enjoy it and try making it at home, and you'll be surprised how quickly you will make this malai tikka. Thank you for watching guys. Keep on cooking. Today's shout goes to Amarjyoti from Chandigarh and Sandeep Chana from Panchkula. If you want me to give you a shout out guys, please DM me on Desi Boy Kitchen at Instagram and I will be giving you a shout out. Thank you. Bye for now and keep on cooking.